So this event is based on biodiversity. We want to put the spotlight on what Sri Lanka can offer and that no other countries can offer. It is an amazing natural scene, an environment that is unique in its diversity, in its wealth. So we want to put a spotlight on this and have the entire world to be able to enjoy what is unique in Sri Lanka.
We started the day off with a kayak and then a run, followed by a cycle, and then we had swimming and then kitesurfing in the end. Kalpitiya is very famous for kitesurfing, but it's really cool that we could have a multidiscipline activity like this here.
ඇත්තටම කල්පිටිය කියන්නේ ජෛව විවිධත්වයක් තියෙන ප්‍රදේශයක්. ඒ වගේම මෙතන තියෙනවා හොඳ සුන්දර ස්ථානයක් සහ මුළු ලෝකෙම ඇහැ ගහලා තියෙන ස්ථානයක්. මට හිතෙනවා මේක අපිට තියෙන සම්පතක්.
Been able to explore the rich biodiversity that is in this area and see how ecotourism is something that is really necessary for Sri Lanka, and we are also looking at sustainable tourism. What should that look like? How should we protect the environment?
EU BIOthlon was a super experience in so many ways. We actually just got done doing the kayaking off the show to the sandy beach and collected a whole bunch of debris and waste, a lot of plastic that actually teaches us so much about our day-to-day usage, how we can be mindful in protecting our environment and especially the beach that's all around our country.
So we almost come to the conclusion of the Team Europe BIOthlon. What a performance. We're just thoroughly enjoying ourselves.
And I'm here in this wonderful place of Sri Lanka, which I return to time after time.
Actually, I had never been to Kalpitiya and I love outdoor activities. It was an opportunity I couldn't miss to actually finally come here and then take part in all the activities.
So for me as a national sportsman, I'm very, very grateful to the organizers as well as the friends and the colleagues that basically brought me and my family to experience our country, and it is a wonderful thing.